Hi, welcome to myprojectbazaar.com.
Now we are going to study about a secure and privacy-preserving opportunity computing framework for mobile healthcare emergency, short form for SPOC. Abstract. The healthcare monitoring environment operation provides on smartphones and wireless body sensor networks and mobile healthcare. The flourish of healthcare still faces many challenges including information security and privacy preservation. A secure and privacy-preserving opportunity computing framework called SPOC for healthcare emergency. SPOC and smartphone resources including computing power and energy can be opportunistically gathered to process the computing intensive personal health information during healthcare emergency with minimal privacy disclosure. To leverage the PHA privacy disclosure and the high reliability of PHA process and transmission in healthcare emergency, to introduce an efficient user-centric privacy access control in SPOC framework. This is based on attribute-based access control and a new privacy-preserving scalar product computation technique. The medical user to decide who can participate in the opportunity computing to assist in the processing overwhelming in PHA data. Objective of this project: to computing power and energy can be opportunistically gathered to process the computing intensive personal health information during healthcare emergency with minimal privacy disclosure. Data flow diagram. First you have start in our process, then we have to configuring the BSN node and smartphone and the healthcare center. Then we are going to data sharing in every phases. If data has been, if emergency means we are going to need resources has been need means contact passing person. Then we have to phase 1 and phase 1 power and medical uses. If have phase 1 power medical uses means phase 2 similar symptoms. Now to find out similar symptoms in passing users. Then we are going to admit a helper for integrating helper resource and PHA. Then ambulance arrival means release the helper resources. If not ambulance arrival means emergency continuously starting in our process. In every data has been sharing for digital signature and encrypted data. In every user have separate private and public keys. In each process have been going on 3 minutes 1 second. Stop the process. Now let us start the project demo for SPOC. First you have to run healthcare.java. Going to file connection. Now to start in your healthcare center Java file 2.3 connect. Then we are going to first you have to run smartphone.java. When you are starting your process, ask IP address of server. Then port ID of server 23. Also you have to run new user for passing user. Enter IP address. Now two users are connected in healthcare center. I am going to log out or registration procedure. Patient name, parent name, date of birth, then gender, marital status, address, phone number, emergency contact number, email address, insurance details, treatment taking for heart problem. Submit recent details into server. Going to healthcare center, REG details, receive registration details, save that details, then we have user ID, this is your password, this is your smartphone ID, this is your BSN ID, is now registration successfully. Then we are going to login. Same also, this is one of the user, going to registration procedure, BN, parent name, tablet, gender, marital status, address, phone number, contact emergency number, email address, insurance details, treatment taking for heart. Submit. Going to healthcare center, receive REG details, save the details. Now this is user ID, this is password, smartphone ID, BSN ID. Now registration successfully. We are going to our database. Our database name is SPOC. Going to register table. This is lastly access database. Username, you have to get username, F. Then user ID, then password. Login. Going to healthcare center, login check. Successfully log. Same as our username, user ID, and password. Login. Going to healthcare center, login check. Login successful. Then authentication procedure. This is patient ID, then smartphone ID, and BSN ID. Authentication. Going to healthcare center, authentication, receive, verification, authenticated user. So futurely we have any message you want, sending a receiving from that users. Then key generation, generate key, generate master key, submit key. That this key going to send smartphone user, key generation, generate. Key generated. Now we are going to BSN node, enter BSN ID, submit. This is our BSN node form. Get key, BSN calculator, BSN value fixed randomly after every 3 minutes. Encryption. Our data has been encrypted. Send it to smartphone. To smartphone tab, BSN values, receive BSN values. This report, ambulance to patients. Then transformation. Get that value, key generator for digital signature, sign that values. Then receive BSN value, start our server. Then we have to send our details. We have received that messages. check trustworthy, authenticated user is signature verified. So we have to trusted user, decrypt that value, view, check emergency, heartbeat is abnormal. So we have going to medical center, medical profession, get patient details. Now current address we have to record, so I have to click address requirement, going to user, smartphone, location, receive alert. So emergency address you have to write our now current address, send into healthcare center, receive that address. That user is having stayed in CBE. Then we have to patient alert, patient alert. Then we have to find out first aid. So search in nearest passing user, random search, find a new user, first aid, connection. Our IP address is 127.0.0.1. Send authentication request, enter your name, VN, location CBE. Going to renew user, accept that request, and receive that authenticated records. That user's name is AF. Send validation to healthcare center, first aid verification. This is user, receive validation. Find another user because of he medical users has different. So like on this. Okay. Then we have the emergency communication. Just you have to alert that emergency. Then emergency communication. Then going to that nearest user, receive that value. Then after you have to send that value in healthcare center, receive first aid value. Going to healthcare, receive patient values. Check trustworthy. Then decrypt that value, use that value. This helper process that value. That value is getting through that these values. Same as soon as possible. In every 3 minutes, you have sending and receiving that data automatically. If you have emergency documents, you have the data. You have to share the resource on every 1 minute or 2 minutes based upon our present details. Then performance analysis. This is comparison graph proposed in the existing system based upon number of packet data sharing and response time. Comparison and trusted users. Existing so non-trusted users proposed to the trusted users level. Thank you for watching this video.